Menstrual cups are a safe alternative to toxic tampons or bulky pads. The Flotus Cup is a medical-grade silicone cup shaped perfectly to lock in blood during menstruation. How do you insert your Flotus Cup? Let me explain. The Flotus Cup is not inserted like tampons. Do not insert the cup too high, which may cause leaks. The stem will be facing out once your cup is inserted. Before insertion, thoroughly wash your hands and sanitize your Flotus Cup. There are two common ways to fold and insert your Flotus Cup. The U-fold method is the easiest. Just press the sides of the cup together, then fold it in half again, forming a tight U shape. Or use the push-down fold method. Place a finger on the top rim of the cup and press it down into the center of the inside base to form a triangle. This makes the top rim much smaller to insert. Get in a comfortable position, either standing, in the shower, sitting on the toilet, or squatting. Relax your vaginal muscles. Gently separate your labia and insert the Flotus Cup into your vagina, aiming towards your tailbone. The menstrual cup will open before it is completely inserted. This is normal. Continue to insert towards the tailbone until the stem is even with the vaginal opening and does not protrude. To ensure proper insertion, grip the base of the Flotus Cup, not the stem, and turn the cup one full rotation in either direction. Or insert the cup about halfway, turn the cup one full rotation, and then push it in the rest of the way. It must rotate easily, as this ensures that it is fully open. Now you're prepared with 12 hours of protection. To learn about the benefits of using menstrual cups, read about it in the description below. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, like and subscribe.